Hello. Today I'm going to be doing a date night kind of makeup. Most of my products are from MAC. However, a lot of them, tops have come off of it and the names, I can't even make out the name. So sorry guys. I have my moisturizer on already. I'm going to prime first. I use my lovely primer. The other day, Edward put so much primer on my face. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't know where this came from, this little bump came from, but anyways, I think I've been eating too much sweet stuff, which I shouldn't be considering my circumstances. You see, I have bags under my eyes, so I normally cover it up a little bit. I use my hand because I find that it applies it better than using a brush. And mind you guys, my mirror is right here, so if you see me looking right here, it's because, yep, so I'm concealing the hell out of my eye right now. This is how I do mine, so not gonna allow me. Oh, I know what I needed to do. Your eyebrows are what shapes your face, so if your eyebrows not on point, nothing not really work out, if you know what I mean. All the brushes I had, oh, I keep breaking them. So I'm gonna put it under here.
Baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will.
I normally wet my sponge before using it on my face. The magic begins. The magic begins.
Find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.
I think we could do with a little bit more over the eye. So this date night could be with the girls or a date night with your partner, husband, boyfriend, whatever works best for you. Because I have kind of slant-ish eyes, I always try to bring out my eyes and not use too much makeup in general. So I tend to focus on the eyes more than anything. The eyes, it's all in the eyes, it is in the eyes. Oh, don't know why I did that. And I can still see the bags under my eye. Oh well. Okay, now, cheekbones are very important, so I tend to just go in. As I said, I can hardly see, honestly guys, I can hardly see anything on here. It's full of makeup, because it's always good to show your cheekbones. Even if you don't have any, you make it. This is always an important part. So I'm using this mirror, well not the mirror, I'm using this and I'm also using the other side. Okay, I will speed up a lot of this because it's kind of too much. The other thing I didn't tell you guys is, remember I said I started using Urban Skin RX? So I have their Radiance Restore Oil and I tend to use it on my skin to look more radiant. Just add a little. Okay, that's me. And of course, again, the blush. I do things however I feel like doing them, because I should be doing over my eye first before even doing the blush. But see, whatever I grab, I just do. But let's just say I was in a rush to go to wherever I'm going, right? And I don't have much time. Okay, so over the eye, I can actually read this one. Groundwork Pro Longwear Point. And I tend to use my finger and just put a little bit over. Oh, see, I'm always breaking stuff. So I'm gonna use this. Okay, I'm going to go, I'll just put gold over the eyes. Why not? You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I And I'm going to mix it with something else. Color is not really looking like my kind of color. This almost has like a pink shade to it. So guys, what have you been doing? Have you been preparing for Christmas? Because I haven't. I'm not excited when it comes to this time of the year. I find it extremely stressful. Have you guys been buying presents for family and friends? Good for you, if that's the case. I'm not gonna put anything at the top. I'm just trying to brush it out a bit. There's too much in the corner here. I'll deal with that after. As I said, guys, I'm going light makeup. I'm only going to put this over my eye. I'm going to use this mirror here. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide. It's looking good already. Bam, bam, bam. And then before my lashes, this is what Wonderful, and this is by Rimmel London. It's not what I normally use, but I need to go buy some more mascara. I normally use L'Oreal, this one, because I love the fact that you have this side where it just plumps it a bit, and then you get the dark side. It gives it more volume, I find. And with me, I don't really have a lot of lash, so it works. Okay. Now it's time for my lashes. Lashes. I remember the first time I tried to put lashes on. Jesus, it was dreadful. It was dreadful. Now it's so easy. If I'm going anywhere, I never think twice about putting on my lashes because I know it's not going to take very long. But before, my first attempt to putting on lashes, oh, horrible. Okay, I don't really know which one is the right from the left. Does it matter? Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to go closer to the mirror. I have to go close to the mirror to put it on. I don't know about you, but when you are going out and you're gonna be wearing lashes, aren't you terrified that you might be talking to somebody and it just falls off or something? Like, I'll give you an example. It wasn't about lashes. So you know the chicken fillets before I did my boobs. So I have some chicken fillets, and I remember I was at a party. I'm sure it was here at home. And I was sitting there and I had something that was, I was wearing something that was revealing, and I was sitting there talking to this guy, and I just looked down and I could see the chicken fillets, and I was so embarrassed because I thought to myself, how long has it been showing? Why didn't he point it out to me? Would you? Wouldn't you? I would. I felt like he should have pointed it out to me, like just say, it probably would have been awkward for him, but I would have been fine if he pointed it out to me. Oh, you know, by the way, look, can you fix, you know, we were having a very good conversation. Why didn't he say something? Probably was shy to do it. Can't blame the poor guy. Okay, now I'm gonna do the bottom half. As I said, I don't think I'm gonna line the bottom half because then it's gonna be a lot of work to take it off. I enjoy putting on makeup when I actually wear it, but I don't enjoy taking it off. Some people wear makeup every day. How do you do it? How? I can't. It's too much work. I think I'm getting there. Okay. Whew. That was a lot. I'm going to put more. I don't think there was enough. Okay, I'll do this red. I'm running out of it. After this, I'm actually going to do another video for another day. So I think this lipstick should be fine. Danger! Watch yourself. Danger! It's the right kind of makeup to wear or lipstick to wear in this time. So that's me. Let me see if I can move. That's my makeup, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I don't normally use a lot of makeup, and hence why I don't have a lot on my face. And so I tend to use lipstick to just brighten it up a bit. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you enjoy this content, please remember to click like and also leave me a comment below. Take care.